Shalom, shalom, shalom. Of course, there is an update on the Tapswap airdrop, and of course, I want us to get it on detail. So let's go. So as you open your application on Tapswap application, that's how the application looks. There is a profit per hour, there is the video, the gem, and of course, as I said before, that this application is just trying to behave just like how the hamster is. And of course, as you can see, it is really not making sense if they will able to reward according to the main balance, because it's too huge. Okay, so of course they had to develop something of that nature as the way hamster is doing, so that they now reward members. Okay, because they also need to get the cash. And of course, once you now open the town section, in that interface, this is how it looks like. You have to scroll backwards or forward in order for you to start what? To now operate. Okay, you just click and then you buy. Okay, and of course, once you buy, you'll receive 20 gems. Okay, and you can see upgrading will upgrade at a particular time, some seconds. Okay, and of course, you can also speed by also having the what? The gem. Okay, then of course after that you go to another one, and of course you can see the gem have increased and the rate has also increased. Okay, once you take then the other one, we can check. You'll receive different coins, and the rate is also different. Okay, so the gems that you receive are different, you know, depending on the building or platform that you're going to do what? To upgrade. Okay, as you can see there, I'll receive the mining rate at 150 per hour. Okay, and it will take that particular time to now come, to count. Okay, so there's that interface. Okay, there's also that one about the bot stuff that you also need to buy by the gems, but since I don't have enough one, then I'm unable to upgrade. Okay, there's also this section there where you need to buy the gem market, or you need to buy for particular dollars. You have the $19, $49, and $0.6, $1, $5, and even $9, as you can see there. But that, I'm not encouraging that one, because you cannot buy something that is not yet substantial. Okay, so you need to be very careful about that. But if you're willing to, if you have the money, okay, remember you're going to be deducted directly from your Ton wallet that you have connected before. So if you're not ready or willing to spend that particular money, then I believe you don't necessarily need to do that. Okay, but I believe that is the matter of liquidity is concerned. Okay, so it's a kind of different to what a hamster is doing, where you don't necessarily purchase the gems by your own money. Okay, so that's where maybe an issue might come from, but I think the rest, someone might handle them with a lot of easiness. Okay, and try to now you just need to move the building upwards or backwards, the infrastructure that are in that particular town, and just buy. You just need to buy, and remember that you'll just need to need some time. Okay, so you need to have some few seconds, or you can either upgrade by having what? The gem. Okay, as you can see there. Okay, so as you move up, downwards, sideway, you now get to see what you're supposed to upgrading. Okay, and in that another section there, the swapping section, the DEX, it's another feature that's yet to come, where you can buy and also swap, I mean buy and sell in that section. Okay, though it's yet to operate. I mean, by the time it's being launched, I think they also, it will be functioning. Okay, but for now, the town section is the one that is operating, and you can see it's as easy as such. You don't need to struggle about it. You just need to buy and buy, and you're done.